Hey guys, don't forget to check out my giveaway to 5K video for a giveaway. Enjoy. My little hairnet on, looking like a cafeteria lady. Okay, got my best cafeteria. You want some fries, huh? Hey guys, I'm coming to you today with a heatless rod set. Today is day 2, and of course it rained today. Ugh. Anyways, this is day 2 of my hair. I want to show you guys how I got this style. Super simple 4-step perm rod set on dry hair. You guys, it was so easy. 4 steps: moisturize, detangle, gel, roll. Boom! That was it. It was super simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. Alright guys, we're starting out. I have a little bit of rose water, homemade, and mine is a little different because I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I'm not using a homemade flaxseed gel, so we'll see how Aunt Jackie's works. And I'm using smaller perm rods because I didn't feel like going out and buying perm rods that I probably wouldn't use. So let's get started with sectioning off her hair. So I'm just gonna, my hair is washed a couple days ago. So, and I braided it so I could stretch it out just a little. As you can see, there's some little braid texture, but we'll try to comb that out. I'm gonna put it in 4 sections. So I'm just gonna spray it with some rose water just to dampen it a little. Squeeze it, and I'll comb it a little bit so I can get a little bit of that pattern out of there. So I'm going to do maybe, let's see, 3 rollers in each section. See how that does. So section about this big. It smells really sweet. So here's Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel. I mean, it's about that much, maybe a little half of that. Maybe about a quarter size. In my hand, put it together. Down the length of my hair. Kind of continue to detangle. And don't worry guys, I'll do a close-up shortly so you guys can see more clearly what I'm doing. Wrap it around. Do like, ooh, like curl it around like this. Ooh. These things are always so tricky. Okay, that's better. Okay. So, about a quarter size. Rub it in my fingers. Down the hair. And grab a roller. Roll it up a little, and then I'm gonna start twisting it like this. Ooh. And then roll it tight. So spray it a little more. Again, this is just rose water that I made from some oat flowers that I got for Valentine's Day from my brother. So I'm gonna run my hands down it. Do a section out that big. Take a little bit of Aunt Jackie's. I didn't roll it down my hands this time, but make sure to distribute it evenly. Wrap it around. 1, 2. Just make sure you just get down. 1, 2. And then start twisting it back towards my face. And then so you can do one more. And then roll it to lock it in. Alright, I'm gonna finish off the rest of it. Alright guys, I am all rolled up. And I have this little hairnet thingy that I bought at the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna put that on this to kind of keep the rollers in place if it fits. I probably should have got a bigger one. Let's see. I'm looking like somebody's auntie, okay? So I'm gonna put this little hairnet on, then I'll put, I don't know, maybe a beanie or something on, and I'm gonna let it air dry. So I will catch you guys once it's time to do the takedown. So here it is, guys. I actually end up wearing this the entire day on Saturday and Sunday actually. So this is 2 days later. And excuse my dry skin around my mouth, shawty. If y'all want to see, thumbs up if you want to see a skin routine for dry, brittle, ashy skin. I'll do that for you guys. And to make these curls come alive, all I did was separated each of them at least once in the middle, no more than 3 times because I didn't want it to get super frizzy. But I just gave it a little shake, shake, shake after I kept separating. And y'all, I am absolutely doing this again. And it was so easy. And it probably would have been dry, I would say maybe in 2 or 3 hours, air dry. Woo! Look at that. Or maybe an hour under the dryer. I just love these curls. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that super quick tutorial on how I got this cute rod set. It'll probably last me maybe I definitely could say, I want to say that the Aunt Jackie's gel obviously did a good job. I noticed a little flaking in the front, so be light-handed with the gel. My hair doesn't feel crunchy, but it doesn't feel moisturized either, if that makes sense. It's not dry, it just is not super moisturized feeling. I mean, it doesn't look too dusty in my opinion. It actually looks really black. Interesting. But yeah, so my hair doesn't feel too dry, but I noticed some of the shine is kind of gone today that was there yesterday. Like I said, it was raining today, so the moisture probably got in my hair and pumped it up a little. But I just want to show you guys up close a little what it looks like. And I'll show you guys the back. I don't really know what the back looks like. But yeah, guys, that's it. Super simple. Don't forget to keep up with me on all my socials, my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and my newly revamped blog. I will leave the links to all that in the description box so you guys can catch up. And also, I'll leave some other goodies in the description box to check out some other videos of mine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. If you're new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you're an oldie but a goodie and you're coming back, don't forget to hit the notification button so you can join that notification gang gang. And I will catch you all in my next one. Talk to you guys later. Bye.